Yes, living out your fantasies is confronting yourself, because you've been having the same dreams, right? Everybody has the same kind of thing, either with lesbians or whatever dreams you had, right? And I never really spoke out about it. I never said anything. It was all kind of hidden. Everything has been quiet. And then finally, I mean, you do meet yourself. You do go, oh my God, I have to speak up about my things. I mean, I've been hiding this for so long. This is mine, you know. So, and sharing that with others, and then experience it in a place and a space of you know, with good people, it's been, I mean, great. It's been a great experience to do this. And yes, it is challenging, of course, but it does, you know what happens is, what I feel, what the changes are, is that I'm much more relaxed around everything. You know, I have sessions, and the people are like, oh my God, you're not naked, but I am. And they go like, and then I say, oh, I don't even think about it anymore. I'm so used to be around people that are naked everywhere, and people fucking in front of me. I mean, it's beautiful. It's like an art. It's really beautiful to watch. I mean, when you start seeing sex as an art instead of just have something or sex, it's just amazing. It's a very good experience. I'm very lucky, actually.